Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing Kobe Bryant shot glasses. And am I the only one feel crazy that he's gone? It just feel weird that if you say Kobe Bryant's dead, I don't know. It just seems weird, but rest in peace, Kobe. I was actually hurt when I heard the news about Kobe. I mean, I was a fan. I wasn't a diehard fan, but who don't like Kobe Bryant? That just broke my heart. But so today would be fun because we're doing Kobe Bryant themed shot glasses. So if you have not seen my last video, you need to see it before this video. So go watch that video and then come back and watch this video. But you can watch this video, but it won't make as much sense until you watch my last video. It's a full tutorial on how to make these shot glass sets, and I got the set from the Dollar Tree. So go watch the last video, okay? All right, let's get into it. So you already know you got to take the shot glass package outside and spray paint. Make sure you can't see through it. Make sure your paint is even. And then now it's time to make your images. So get on your Cricut design space. You already know. Don't forget to subscribe. Now it's time to make your images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the font Extreme. And I'm gonna put Kobe Bryant's name at the top of the package. And the Kobe Bryant, what I did was I brought the letters in closer together before I resized it. But I had to put an extra space in between it because it wasn't enough space between Kobe and his last name. So now I'm gonna change the colors from yellow and blue because the font Extreme comes in a multi-layer. So I changed the color to yellow and purple to match the Lakers theme colors. So once we resize it to a 5-inch width and a 1.2-inch height, we're gonna move that out of the way because we're finished with what's going on the top. Now we're gonna work on the shot glasses. So I also use the Extreme font for the number 24 because we're gonna put his number on one of the shot glasses. And I use black and yellow for the color of the shot glasses instead of purple and yellow because the other two shot glasses was gonna have black as well. So I didn't want the 24 to be an oddball, if that makes sense. So I used these two images that I got off Google. I got the black mamba sign. And then this image here it says Kobe on one side and then it has his actual face, half his face on the other side. So the images for the shot glasses should be a 1-inch width and a 2-inch height. So we're done with the images for the shot glasses. So now we're gonna look for wings, angel wings that I have. We're gonna work on the back. So I also got these angel wings off Google. And the dimensions for the back of the package is 5 inches width and a 2-inch height. So always keep that in mind when you're making images to go on your packaging. So I wanted to incorporate Kobe's name, and I had to play with the letters a little bit to get them as close as I wanted to, but not too close. But I just wanted to put his name in between the wings because I thought that would look pretty nice. So that's what I did with that. And then the wings and his name will actually be in white because, again, our package is black. So always keep the color of your package in mind because you want all your colors to flow. So right now I got it at black, but I will change it later on. So what I want to put on the top is Mamba Mentality because they call him Black Mamba. But I spelled mentality wrong. I don't know what I was thinking when I put them 2 L's in there, but I went back and fixed it, y'all. So don't be in the comments talking about you spelled mentality wrong because I know I caught it. So when you do it, if you do it this way, mentality has 1 L, not 2 L's, okay guys? So after aligning those, I'm gonna go back over and I wanna put the number 24 in between Mamba Mentality and the wings. So I also used the Extreme font for the number 24, But again, this extreme font comes in a multi-layer, so you won't need the background layer for this. But I did bring in the numbers a little closer with the letter spacing. Then I'm going to change the color of Mamba Mentality to yellow. And then I'm going to go back and change the color of the number 24 to purple. So yellow and purple, well, yellowish gold and purple are the Lakers colors. So I decided to incorporate that in the back. And that is our back image, and the back is done. So we're going to move those out of the way. So now we're going to work on the front. So on the front, I'm going to put Black Mamba. And again, if you go watch the other video that I have up of DIY shot glass sets plus the full tutorial, I give you all the sizes and dimensions you need as far as measurements, and the size of your images should be on the box. So I highly suggest going and watch that tutorial. So in the front, our Black Mamba is going to be a 2-inch width and a 0.25 inch height. Also, I'm gonna put the Lakers on there because in the front of the shot glass box there's 4 columns, and I encourage you to use your imagination and just decorate the box however you feel. Like, utilize the entire space of the box. That's what makes your box look good, and that's what makes it special. You know, you don't want a plain box. Like, you want your box to pop. So again, Lakers, I used the extreme font again. I didn't use the background. I just used the middle layer. So that extreme font comes in 2 layers. So you have to get rid of the background layer. So, and I changed the color of the Lakers to purple and yellow. And now we're looking for a basketball because I want to put 2 basketballs on the same column as the word Lakers that we have. So it's going to be an orange basketball with our purple Lakers, and then it's going to be an orange basketball with the yellow Lakers, if that makes sense. I know I'm moving fast, guys. That's why I encourage y'all to go watch the last video so you would kind of know exactly what I'm doing. So this is what the front would look like of the shot glass box. So we have the top, we have the back, we have the front, and we have the shot glasses. Now it's time to make it and cut out all your images and get ready to transfer. This is the fun part, y'all. I love this part. I really hate making the images, but putting them on, I absolutely love this part. This is the fun part. So this is me just transferring all my images over to my package, the shot glass box. And it came out like I imagined it would, perfect.